OnePlus has made a name for itself by offering premium smartphone features at competitive prices. The Nord series in particular has struck a chord with consumers seeking flagship-level experiences without breaking the bank. These devices consistently deliver on performance, design, and camera capabilities, making them a compelling choice in the ever-evolving smartphone landscape. With each iteration, OnePlus raises the bar, and the Nord 4 and Nord 3 are no exception. The OnePlus Nord 4 and Nord 3 continue the legacy of the Nord series, offering powerful features that have made the brand a favorite among tech enthusiasts. These smartphones come at an affordable price point, making high-end technology accessible to a wider audience. Both phones boast sleek designs and impressive specifications, including high-resolution cameras, long-lasting batteries, and fast-charging capabilities, making them attractive options for budget-conscious consumers. The Nord 4, however, takes things a step further with several key upgrades that set it apart from its predecessor. It features a larger display, enhanced camera systems, and improved processing power. These enhancements, ranging from display size to processing power, make the Nord 4 a worthy contender for your next smartphone purchase. Whether you're a gamer, a photographer, or just need a reliable device for everyday use, the Nord 4 has something to offer for everyone. Screen real estate is crucial for an immersive smartphone experience. The size of the screen can significantly impact how we interact with our devices, from watching videos to playing games. The Nord 4 boasts a slightly larger display than the Nord 3, measuring 6.7 inches compared to the Nord 3's 6.5 inches. This may seem like a minor difference, but it can greatly enhance the user experience. This difference, while seemingly small, translates to a more expansive viewing area for multimedia consumption and gaming. A larger screen allows for more detailed visuals and a more engaging experience. Both phones feature AMOLED displays with vibrant colors and deep blacks, ensuring a visually pleasing experience. The quality of the display is crucial for enjoying high-definition content and vibrant graphics. However, the Nord 4's larger screen provides a slight edge in terms of immersion. Whether you're watching a movie, playing a game, or simply browsing the web, the extra screen space can make a noticeable difference in how you experience your content. Section 4. Processing power. The brains behind the beauty. When it comes to smartphones, it's not just about the looks, it's about what's inside that counts. Under the hood, the Nord 4 packs a punch with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. This advanced chipset is designed to deliver top-tier performance, ensuring that every task is handled with ease. This chipset delivers blazing fast performance, effortlessly handling demanding tasks such as gaming and multitasking. Whether you're playing the latest games or juggling multiple apps, the Nord 4 keeps up without breaking a sweat. The Nord 3, on the other hand, is powered by the Snapdragon 875G, a capable processor but not quite as powerful as its successor. While it performs well for everyday tasks, it doesn't quite match the speed and efficiency of the Nord 4. The Nord 4's superior processing power translates to a smoother, more responsive user experience. From seamless scrolling to quick app launches, every interaction feels fluid and intuitive, making it a joy to use. Section 5. Memory lane, RAM and storage. Both the Nord 4 and Nord 3 offer ample RAM and storage options to suit different user needs. The Nord 4 comes in 8GB and 12GB RAM variants, while the Nord 3 offers 8GB and 12GB configurations. In terms of internal storage, both phones provide options for 128GB and 256GB, allowing you to store your apps, photos, and videos with ease. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and updates.